Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor.ai. Today I'll show you how you get your Klaviyo data connected to Google Sheets. Before you start, please make sure that you have access to a Klaviyo API key and Google Sheets. Let's begin. Go to onboard.windsor.ai, and once you're in, you search for Klaviyo, and then you should be ending up in this screen. Now you click on Klaviyo settings. And on this page here, you'll then find your API key, add it here, and repeat this process for as many Klaviyo accounts you wish to add. Once you're done, click on Preview and Destination. Now in here, you click on Google Sheets. Then you click on the link to install the Google Sheets add-on, which I have already done here. Now, the next step is to get that data into a sheet, which I do by creating a new sheet. Then in here, the first time you log in, you will need to click the login button. Once this is done, you're authenticated, so you can proceed to get data into a sheet. Now here, we add a new query. We give it a name, Klaviyo test data, and then we need to specify the target sheet name, which in my case is sheet 1, which is the name you can find here. And then I select my data source. Here I have connected a few different connectors. Just going to click on Klaviyo here. Then I can specify the accounts I'd like. I'll leave that step for now. And then I specify the date range. That will be the last 7 days of data. And then I specify the fields. Now here it's important to note that there are different object types. So you cannot query campaign data together with flow data, for example. So please make sure to keep them in separate queries. Once you're done selecting your fields, you can then click on Load Data. And now your data will appear here with the fields you have selected. Now, if you'd like to automate that process, you can configure a scheduled run by clicking on this setting here. And then in here, you can specify the refresh interval. If you specify 1 hour, you get the data refreshed every hour, and so on. Now you would repeat this process for the different reports you'd like to pull, and then you can start working with the Google Sheets data in your BI tool or in Google Sheets itself. Thanks very much for watching, and enjoy working with our connectors.